Test for palindrome in Python. How to check whether a word, phrase, sentence, or a number is a palindrome or not. In this lesson we will learn how to test for a palindrome by writing codes in Python. But what is a palindrome and why should we learn it? A palindrome is any word, number, phrase, or a sentence that reads the same both forward and backward. It derives from Greek roots palin that means again or back and dromos that means running. So, the word palindrome literally means running back. Here are few palindromes. See, these reads the same both forwards and backwards. A long phrase. A very large number. Date and time. Here are a few sentences which are palindromes. Hope that you have understood what a palindrome is. Now we will move to the coding part. Now let's begin. First of all, let's write down the algorithm for checking whether a text or number is a palindrome or not. Step 1. Read the text or number. Step 2. Reverse the text or number. Step 3. If the text or the number is the same as the reverse text or number, go to step 4, else go to step 6. Step 4. Print palindrome. Step 5. Go to step 7. Step 6. Print not a palindrome. Step 7. End. Here are few examples. The word apple is not a palindrome. The number 456,654 is a palindrome. The word madam is a palindrome. We will use this algorithm in our actual Python codes. Reversing the text or the number needs its own algorithm. It can be done in various ways. We will discuss those algorithms using actual Python codes. Let's begin coding in Python. Asking the user to provide the text. The text is assigned to the variable text. Now we need to reverse the text. We are doing this using string slicing technique. The reverse text is assigned to reverse_text variable. Now we need to check whether the original text and the reverse text reads the same or not. If yes, print it's a palindrome, else print it's not a palindrome. So, this is our complete code. Very simple, accept the text as user input, reverse the text using string slicing, compare the text and the reverse text for equality using if-else blocks and print appropriate message, and it's done. Let's run the code in a terminal and check the result. It seems that our code is working fine. Let's display the original text and the reverse text also. It will help us to understand more. Now run the code again and check the outputs. Now it's better, we can see both the original text and reverse text for comparison. Let's run the code few more times and test some more texts or numbers. Our earlier examples worked fine because we entered the text in lowercase only. What happens if we use mixed cases? Let's check. Here the word Malayalam is not treated as a palindrome. Why? Because, in computer systems the codes for small case letters and capital case letters are different, so, capital M and small m are different characters to the system. To handle this issue, we need to either convert the original text to uppercase letter or lowercase letters. Look, when we enter the text either in lowercase or uppercase, there is no issue, but for mixed case our codes fail. Let's convert the entered to text uppercase using the upper method. Now our code can handle the mixed case scenarios also. Let's check. Our code is not yet complete, because it cannot handle the punctuation characters or any other special characters. Let's check this example. As we can see, without any punctuation characters, it is working fine. But it fails when we enter punctuation characters also. We need to handle this issue. Let's add a line of code that eliminates the special characters from the text. For this we will use generator expression with condition and also take help of the join function and isAllNumber method. This is a generator expression that generates a text by extracting only the alphanumeric characters from the variable text. Let's run our modified code again and check the result. Look, our code is working fine now. In this way we can better our code gradually by considering the issues that may arise. This code can handle any kind of text strings containing alphabets, digits, and special characters. That is, using this code we can check words, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, numbers, dates, etc. Although this code can handle numbers entered as texts, now we will use a different algorithm for checking whether a number is a palindrome or not. So, let's begin. First of all, ask the user to enter the number. Check whether the user has entered digits only. Convert the number received to an integer. Keep a copy of the number for future use. The while loop generates the reverse of the number entered by the user. The modulo operator helps us to extract the digit at one's place. Integer division is being used for eliminating the digit at one's place. Rev_number multiplied by 10 moves the number towards the left and create place for one's digit. After completing all the iterations, rev_number holds the reverse of the original number. Now check whether the original number and the reverse numbers are equal or not. If yes, it's a palindrome, else it's not a palindrome. So, this is our complete code for reversing a number. Let's run the code and check the result. Yes, our code is working fine. So these are two programs for checking for palindrome text or palindrome numbers. Here we have used a very simple and efficient algorithm for reversing a text string. We can reverse texts in various ways that will be discussed later. I have not discussed about the logic for reversing a number. This, too, will be discussed in another lesson. Try to comprehend the logic yourself for now. If you are aware of any other logic that are more efficient, you may share in the comment section. Your valuable feedback is important for me. Thanks for watching. Please like or unlike, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more such useful lessons. Happy coding. Bye.